Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to create table using HTML language. Let's start creating a table. A table is made up of rows and columns. As you can see on the screen, there is a table which consists of 3 columns and 3 rows. A table in a web page is created by using table tag. A table tag is a container tag. It means it has opening and closing tag. Now let's see the component of table. First is table caption. This is the title of the table that you create. Second, table heading. These are the title given to a table, row or column or both. They are usually given in the bold font. The third component is table cell. This is the section made by the table row and column. A table cell can contain text or image or even another table within it. Fourth component is table data. The table data can consist of text and image within the cell. Now let's see some tag which is used to create a table. First is table tag, which is used to indicate the creation of table. Second is caption tag, which is used to specify a table heading. It has align attribute which can have a top or bottom as its value. By default, top is the value for the caption tag. Next is tr tag, which is used to create each row of the table. Next is th tag, which is indicate the table heading. It is generally used for the first row, column, content of the table. It displays content in the bold format. It can be replaced with TD. Next is TD tag. TD tag specify data within the table. So to create the table, we have table tag, we have tr tag which stand for table row, th tag which stand for table heading, and td tag which stand for table data. So using all this tag, we are going to create the table. Let's see it practically. So we have seen the data was arranged in table format, but there was no border for the table. So let's see some attribute to add border to your table, to add color to your table, to change the alignment of the table. Now inside the table tag, write border as name of attribute and value as true. Save it and see the changes on the right side. You will find the border to your table. Now add second attribute, that is border color, and color as red, that is value is red. Refresh it. See here on the right side you will find the border with the red color. You can change the color value from red, blue, green, anything whichever you want. Now next attribute is align. There are three type of alignment: left, center and right. So here I am using right alignment. So our table will shift to the right position. If you right align as center and save the data, so you will see here on the right side our table has shifted to the center. Let's move to more attribute of the table. First attribute is BG color. It will set the background color for the table. Second attribute of the table is cell padding. It will control the distance between the data in a cell and the boundaries of the cell. Third attribute is cell spacing. It will control the spacing between the adjacent cell. Fourth attribute is width. It will set the width of a table to a specific number in the pixel format. So let's see all this attribute of the table tag in practical. Let's add the next attribute, that is BG color. So BG color attribute will add color to your table. So here value we have given as yellow. So here on the right side you can see our table background color has become yellow. Here you can add any other color value also according to your choice. Our next attribute is cell padding. So cell padding will control the distance between the data and the boundary of the cell. Okay, so here you can see we have given the value as 30. So there is 30 pixel distance between the data and the boundary of the cell. Next attribute is cell spacing. We are going to enter the value as 20. Click on file and save. Refresh your web page. You can see there is 20 pixel distance between the adjacent cell. So between adjacent cell there is the 20 pixel. So in this way your cell spacing will function. Let's see some more attribute of TR tag, TH tag and TD tag. TR stand for table row, TH stand for table heading and TD stand for table data. So let's see their attribute. For TD tag, add width equal to 80. So you can see 80 pixel our table's width has increases. Next align. So for TR tag, that is table row, align equal to center. So our data will shift to the center. So this has shifted only to the first row. Yes, you can see first row data has shifted to the center. Similarly, add align equal to center for the second row, third row and fourth row. So one by one you can see all the data has shifted to the center. So this is the align attribute for the table. If you want to increase height of the row, so you will use height attribute and give the value. Here we have entered as 80. So your 80 pixel height will get increase of the row. Next attribute is call span. So this attribute is used within TD tag or TH tag. Okay. So what your call span attribute will do? It will combine more than one cell, that is more than one column will get combined. Next attribute is row span. This attribute is used with TD or TH tag. This attribute will combine more than one row together. Okay, so when you want to combine more than one row, you will use row span. Let's see it practically, you will understand more better. So we have seen our table is created. If I want to shift my table at the center, I am going to use align equal to center. So our table has shifted at the center of the web page. So this is how call span attribute is going to function. So two column has get merged. Now if you want to add color to the cell, you will use bg color attribute. So bg color equal to red. So our cell where red value is written, it will be colored in the red. Similarly do for the second cell, bg color equal to green. Save the changes, refresh your web page. Now you can see the green color has applied to your cell. So in this way, using your creativity, you can create your table. Okay. Now let's add some heading using h3 tag. Yes. Now we are going to use the second attribute, that is row span, in the same web page. Okay. So write here h3 example of row span. Now create the table. To create the table, what we are going to use? We are going to use table tag. Now inside the table we are going to add row. So tr tag. Then inside the row there is the data. So hence we are writing td tag. Now as we have to combine two rows, so we are using row span attribute and value we have given as 2. Then after that we have entered the data as color and we have closed the td tag. Then again the next data we have to write as red. Okay. Then again in the first row our work is completed. Now again type tr tag, then type td tag green, then close the td tag, then close the tr tag. So this is the coding for the row span. Okay. So we have created the table in which row span will be there. Save all these changes, refresh it. So on the right side you can see the difference. So here two row has been combined. Now add the color to the cell by using the bg color attribute. I hope you have understood the difference between call span and row span. Thanks for watching.